In this tutorial we are going to practically learn about the math functions. Okay, so first of all, suppose you want to use the math function. So first of all you have to write import math. Okay, then after that you can use the math functions. So what do you mean by this import math function? It means that you are going to use the mathematical functions, so therefore you are importing all the math functions using this import math. Okay, so first of all let's see the ceil function. So you have to write math dot ceil. Okay, then within bracket you can write like 1.01. Okay, so what is the use of this ceil function? It makes this number to the greater integer. Okay, so greater integer value, so therefore nearest greater integer value, so therefore its answer is 2. Okay, the next, if I am writing here math dot ceil like -1.0, so what is the integer greater than -1? It will be what? -1, because -2 is less than -1, so therefore it is showing that -1. Okay, so in the same way you can do it for, if you want to decrease this value. Okay, so you have to write floor. Floor makes it what? It takes it to the decreasing value, which decreasing integer which is less than this 1. Okay, greatest integer less than this 1. So as you can see, this one answer. And if I write here again floor, okay, so if I am using here floor, then you will get this -2. Okay, the next, there are more functions like fabs. So you must have learned about in math the absolute value. So absolute value means ABS means absolute. So in Python just F is added, so fabs. So if I am finding the absolute value, means the only the positive value, so this will be what? -1.01. so if I am removing it, this -1, then since it is already an integer value, positive value, so therefore the answer is same. Okay, there are more functions like sqrt. So suppose you want to find the square root of a number, so how you will find it? So you have to write sqrt, and within bracket you have to give the number like 25. So if you want to find the square root of this 25, you have to press the enter, then you will get as 5.0. Is this 0 means what? It may be an integer value or may not, so therefore this itself is making this as a floating point number. Like if I am writing here square root of suppose 5, so this type of numbers means decimal point numbers appear, so therefore it is automatically converted into decimal point numbers. Okay, so one more expression is there, math dot exp. Okay, exp means e to the power something. So suppose e to the power 2, so e to the power 2 in physics will be what? This 7.38, and if I give it here 5, it will change again. Okay, so in this way you can use this maths function. Okay, so one more function is there, math function, which you can learn, that is pow, means power. Suppose pow 5 to the power 2, so you will write like this power 5 comma 2 means 5 to the power 2, so therefore the answer is 25. Okay, so that much for this tutorial. Thank you.